Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. We have 3 kits, a foil bundle, a Destash bundle, some characters, scribblers, and a color of the week. So let's go ahead and get on into it. First things first, let's start at the top. We do have some new scribblers and these ones are holding presents, and I just think these are perfect for anything during the holiday season, and the present's so small and just a little dash of red is just so stinking cute. So they come in the normal 6 options for these scribblers, and I am obsessed with each and every one of them as per always. Then we do have the color of the week. It comes in the normal 12 sheets, and again, this was also a color picked by y'all. It's a perfect green that is great for the holidays, for March, spring, and summer. Kind of an anytime green. We haven't done too many greens, so I think this would be perfect to add to your collection. There will be a buy all bundle as always, and these will be available through Sunday. Then we do have 2 new characters. We have some Minecraft characters. There's a Creeper and Steve, and this is 40 and 41. Then, like I said, we do have a Destash bundle this week. These are very limited and usually sell out within the week, if not sooner. This one I assume will probably sell a little bit sooner because it does also have kits in it. So this does include 4 Misfit mini kits, and they are all in the format that has the glitter headers. I'll go through and show you what the format like example could look like. It could be any time since there's been glitter headers in the kit, so the last format or this format. And all of the Misfits do come with a foiled freebie instead of the regular freebie. That's how you can kind of tell on the buy sell trade. So this is just an example. Obviously there is like any kit that we've ever done that could be holiday, it could be anytime, it could be seasonal, it could be a mystery, it could be literally anything. So these are the 4 in this kit. Well, this bundle, this is Batu Bound. And then there's also Beach Day, Belle, and Aurora. I'll go ahead and just show you the format of this one. But like I said, it could be in the current format or the older format. So this is a Misfit, so there will be Misfits throughout. Usually it's kind of hard to tell what the Misfits are. Sometimes I don't even know, but they are there. So this is the format. So like you can see, it's the older one, and then you have the freebie is a foil freebie. So that is the example for the minis. And again, it could be any mini kit. So this is just an example. And then it will also come with 4 old format foil bundles. Again, this is just an example, but this will be the format. I'll show you one, and it could also be like a Misfit. It could be a mystery size one, but still it's a great deal. So this one has a confetti blue, a sequin star, a mixed metal twinkle, and then a luxe silver. And the luxe is a little bit of a different format because it has like different deco bits instead of the food items, but let me show you the blue, probably easiest to see. And again, it could be in any format, and it also could be from Misfits. It's just basically overstock. So this one is actually it's a sparkly blue. Sparkly blue. I don't even know if I have this one. This one's a really pretty color. So you have the confetti bottom washi, the icons, the scripts. Then you have 6 pages here of this. The mystery ones come with 3. And they have glitter header overlays, the half cut headers, and the full box overlays, along with icons and date numbers, food icons, and then also the assorted came with the confetti. So you can kind of get a different look with each. And again, this will be available. It is limited. There's a limited amount of these, and they usually do sell out pretty fast, especially whenever they have kits included. So I would definitely pick them up on Wednesday, and you can order more than one of these. It's just like any other Destash bag, box, or Misfit item. If you order more than one, we can't guarantee the difference, but we try to pull them from like different areas of the pre-assorted selection. So we pre-make these, and then we'll try and pull them from different areas. We can't guarantee that there won't be the same thing. Though foil, I feel like it's easy to have multiples of, and then a lot of people, if they get multiples or if they don't like a specific kit, will trade them then in the buy sell trade. And again, those are all mini kits. So that'll be available again Wednesday at noon Eastern with everything else. Then we have overstock of the, I believe it was November mystery. November, I think, mystery, November. Sounds right. Mystery foil bundle, and it is the confetti in hollow, which is perfect to have on hand. It's just such a good basic. You have your 6 full box overlays with your glitter header overlays, 2 pages of the bougie boxes, the icons and scripts, as well as the fancy headers, deco, date numbers, and the bottom washi. So that is the overstock of that. So the stock is a little bit more limited than our normal foil bundles. So that will be available. And then we have 3 kits, one of them being exclusive art. So let me show you that one first. So this is called Snow Day, and I am obsessed with this. I love the colors, but also the theme. We don't get too many snow situations in Texas. Maybe every few years we do, but it's nice to have a kit on hand, or I just kind of use snowy kits even though we don't get snow, because I just like to pretend like I'm in a winter wonderland when it's like 60, 70 degrees out. So you have your 2 full boxes here, which I am obsessed. I love this full box. It's one of my favorite full box, like double box scenes. It just looks so cozy, and I love the snowman. He just kind of looks like, he wasn't made today, he was made like yesterday, so he's kind of just like resting, and then has like the trees just with the snow on them, and I just think it's the most beautiful scene. You have like a snowsuit, a tube, and then some snowballs, and then the basket of wooden pillows, a flat lay with hot cocoa and like a blanket, and then a like cozy living room scene. You kind of like snowed in. And I just think it is such a beautiful kit. And again, these colors are so, so, so pretty. I think this would look really, really nice with just like a basic hollow, but also would look really beautiful with matte silver, matte bronze, matte silver. You could do like a light ice blue would be really pretty. I think you could even do gold, or like silver and gold would be really nice with this. There's just lots and lots of possibilities. I think also a snow bundle, foil bundle from the shop would be really cute, and silver even would pop against these colors. Your freebie is a double box, some of the mini and the ultimate, and it has just like a really pretty window scene. This would also be perfect if you wanted to separate them and then put different quote boxes over this. I think that this is a really nice box to do that as well. So that is exclusive art. Like I said, you won't find it anywhere else, and it will be our like exclusive winter art. So this also does come in a mini, and then let me show you the add-on options. There is the doodles, functional, label, ombre. There's extra, well, this is called kid boxes. So there is like a kiddo here, just kind of going through the snow. And then this is actually a double box if you could use it together or separate. This just goes here if you want to use it as a double box, or again, you could use them separately. Then there is also fan boxes. So you have the, fam option here, then the little like duo, and then the little PJs, which I think are so cute. So 1, 2, and then I did this before in a different kit where there's like different tall boxes. So this is like the second option, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So stinking cute. So that is Snow Day. Then moving on to Winter Street. Winter Street is so cute, and I'm so excited to use this, and I feel like I want to use like a grid pattern, or I feel like even Scratch from Plan A Hand would be really cute with this. And I think using a gold with this, it kind of reminds me of Dark Shines, and I did like a mock spread using Dark Shines, or I use my work planner and using like whenever there's like these like neutrals and using a gold, I mean even silver would be really pretty, but or a mixed metal of those two, or matte bronze with silver. Those are all options as well. I feel like using a gold, it just pops so good against this colorway. I love how trendy this is. It's like definitely the aesthetic I'm going for moving into the winter. I just love everything about it. I love, there's like Ugg boots in the freebie, and I just am obsessed. I bought new Uggs this season. I love the puffer jackets, the big hoodies, the beanies, the like jewelry, the hat, the scarves, all of it. I am just obsessed. And again, these colors are everything. Ugh, I am just so in love, and I love the patterns of the little bears and the grid, and then the like little lines. It's just all so like the grid. And this would be perfect for a quote overlay, but also just like in the top corner, it'd be really pretty as well. So that again is Winter Street, and I am for sure using this winter, and I think I'm probably just going to use gold with it because I feel like I just love the way gold pops with these colors, and I don't see too many kits with this like type of colorway. It also comes in a mini kit. There is the doodles if you want to add it on. There's the functional, the label, the ombre, and then there is also the fashion if you want to add those on with different skin tone options for those as well. So that is Winter Street. And then last but not least for this week's releases, we do have Cozy Winter. I also did want to mention that mystery spots are going to be closing early this month, and mystery reveal will go up on Wednesday just because I want to get that out before Black Friday. So mystery is going to be shipping pretty early this month. So just in case you get an email and you're like, what's going on? That's what's going on. So this is, what is it, December? Ooh, yeah, it's a pretty one. Perfect for like, it could be December. It could be very spring, summer, depending. And I feel like there's other times that I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to use it, but I have two kind of ideas. I'll tell you in the video. So this is Cozy Winter, and I just am obsessed with this as well. I love the like neutral tones with like the greens and the grays. I just think it's so pretty. Again, I think it would look really good with silver, matte bronze, matte silver, matte bronze, matte silver, matte bronze. Silver, gold, any of those I think would be really pretty, or like olive from Plan A I think would be really nice with this as well, or like a brown would be really nice. Ooh, it's just so good. I think even just like plain silver would really pop with this. Again, I just love these colors. I feel like they remind me of Kirsten, just like really nice neutrals with like a pop of the green and the brown. Ugh, I love it. Your full box here with the like fireplace is just so cozy. And then the freebie with the ultimate and the mini is the tall fashion box. So I just thought this one was so cute with like the little feet with the like fuzzy slippers. This is very like stay in vibes. This is kind of reminds me of like trekking out into the winter. This is like staying home, being cozy in the winter. So let me go ahead and show you the add-on options for this one as well. There is the functional, the doodle, the label, the ombre, and then also the fashion if you want to add that on. So that, my friends, is everything for this week. I am very excited for this week's releases because they are all very wintry, and I've been getting a lot of requests. When's winter coming? Well, this is the start of the winter releases, and I'm very excited to see what other art comes out. And I just am excited for winter. But I'm also excited to get some Christmas spreads laid down because it is that time of the year and Christmas is my favorite season. So that is everything for this week, and I will talk to y'all in my next one.